greetings to all the fellow learners of this forum at CLO Summit. My name is Vaishali Naik, and I'm part of the organizational learning team at Kotak. So the topic that we are really discussing today is what happens to learning or learning in the age of work from home. Interesting, right? It's been about a decade. Uh, a lot of experts have pointed towards need for digitization, need for adopting by leaders, by influencers in the organizational setup to really embrace technology. However, in spite of huge investments into various learning management systems and various technology platforms, it just remained a dream a few years back. Come 2019, and we were hit with this uh, unprecedented times, horrible pandemic, which was caused by COVID-19. Our sudden reaction as a corporate world to it is to put a stop to where we were coming together for meetings, for working together, for equipping ourselves, skilling, training, learning, all of that. And we successfully transitioned to work from home. In my opinion, for learning, this new normal has actually opened up a lot of opportunities. One, it is made learning imperative because it's a huge change. And the moment we are equipping ourselves to embrace change, there is a need for holding hands, for knowing more, for understanding our own ways of reacting to it and moving to a response which will make us optimally productive no matter what the situation. And hence, to embrace this change, there is a need for well-devised learning plans. So first change which really happened is learning from optional has become something which can progress us. Yeah, so that's one. Secondly, all the talks about blended and digitizing now has become need of the hour. And it's amazing to see how beautifully learners, as well as the people who had to make learning possible, could adopt to it. You know, Zoom has become so much amazingly friendly platform. So are others which have made it possible for us to interact, to get into breakaway rooms, to annotate and write on the screens together, to role play, to see each other. All of that has been possible. Earlier what we called blended and had to push people to get onto platform for now has become the way of life. So if I were to do some behavioral change or some skill practice, it's now possible to really do it consistently over a period of time. Let's say, like we all said, 21 days, instead of calling people inside the classroom for 2 days of event. Now it has become on the go learning. So we get together, we do 90-minute session on understanding some concept, clarify our understanding, sensitize ourselves towards what is required to be done, and then we get onto a platform to do skill practice on an everyday basis. It's become so much more effective that way. Yeah. Apart from that, the cost effectiveness of the whole thing, of not having to fly people to a certain event location, get them all together, organize for food and the other ergonomics. Instead of that, let them be at wherever they are, be it office or home or wherever, and have an environment ready for them to get together on a platform for a concentrated amount of time. Quality as against the whole, quantity of time. Okay, it's been so much more possible now. No matter where we go back from here, my understanding is some changes have brought in more efficiency, so they will remain. But even if we were to go back to earlier ways of working, learning for sure is transformed itself for good. It has adopted digitization, it has adopted optimization of one's time. The whole point of implementing the learning by doing it on the job has become possible. That's my view on this. Thank you so much for listening.